Oh, baby. Ricochet.
Oh my gosh.
Great shot.
We are here at Etowah Park. I guess it's Riverside Park is the official name, but Etowah is the course. We got lots of elevation for 4 holes, maybe. The rest of it's pretty flat. It's a fun course, 20 holes. What's the guy's name that designed this course?
Sam Barfield.
So he has 3 courses in the area. You've seen Deerfield. All courses have 20 holes, so it's a cool little touch she puts on the course. But yeah, it's a beautiful course, lots of trees, a lot of it's in the woods, a few open holes, but we're gonna be doing a versus, so me versus Andrew, and we'll see how it goes.
We'll see who's the best man.
All right, hole 1, pretty straightforward. Got a few trees to miss. There's a couple lines. You can take this outside anhyzer line or like with a flick as a righty. You can go straight at it if you'd like. As long as you miss these first few trees, then you should be down there close enough to make a putt. All right, Andrew, if you want to start it off.
Sure. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Good luck. And hold that. That should be solid.
It's fine.
Oh, needed
we
to
swapped
miss that.
spots, dude. We swapped spots. No.
Of course. I think straight out is the best play. Oh, just off. That's rough.
Go ahead. Oh.
All right, we're gonna be saving the bogue.
Yeah, buddy.
There we go.
Great putt.
Thanks.
Blame them?
Huh.
No. Two on the board.
Starting off with the 2-stroke swing.
It's always fun. All right, hole 2 is a 217-foot par 3. It's a little tricky. It's pretty technical. There's about 2, maybe 3 lines if you're creative. For a lefty, you're gonna either wanna hit that top gap on the top left of the fairway and kind of crash in, or you can throw something straight and let the disc turn and fight towards the fairway. But for Nathan, I'm sure he's probably just gonna pump it right up the gut and put it right under the pin.
What's the goal? Darn.
Rats.
In the middle.
That'll do.
Yep.
That shall
That's
do.
Ideal. Thanks.
Oy.
Yeah, that beat up tactic is one of my go-tos for straight shots.
It's okay. You only
Just put it a little bit on ante, and it holds that the whole way.
Yeah.
And then gets that last bit of fight at the end.
All 11 of the tactics in your bag.
1 of 4.
Fair enough. One's all I need.
They all do different stuff.
One is all I need.
Yep, that is perfect.
That'll do.
Someone's parked for their birdie.
Attaboy.
That's bounced back from a bogey. Cut it down to 1.
Boom, boom,
Might be a
boom,
little
boom,
too
boom.
tight on this. No, we're perfect. Look at that.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
All right, we're out here on hole 3, 575 foot par 4. Dead straight. I mean, you got woods on the left and right. So you want to stay out of those if you can. I don't know if I've seen this hole eagled, but
I don't know if it ever has been, to be honest. Maybe a throw-in.
maybe, yeah. I mean, it's a pump to get down there. All right, here we go.
Oh, butter those biscuits, Lynn.
That's looking pretty. If it just
Yeah, that's,
stays out
that's
of
average.
those woods.
Yeah, that's average. That's fine. That's cool.
Flip up. Hold it. That's looking good. Sit down quickly. Yep.
Yeah, I'll take that.
That's solid.
Fairwaysy. You know, why pump a cloud breaker 500 feet when you could pump a freaking T-bird like 420?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't get as much ground play, which is nice.
Little awkward footing here, but that's okay. That's fine.
Yep.
That's a classic Nathan Lindler, being able to putt from anywhere on the course.
It's easy little standstill layup.
There's a straw sticking out of the ground. Should I take a sip?
Yeah. There you go.
No!
Oh, that was happening to me all day yesterday. The left chain. Ah, that's a tough part to take after that drive and upshot.
It's a prime example. You drive for show, you putt for dough. It's okay, I suck at putting, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Alrighty, this is hole 4. It is 222 feet. It's another par 3. It's the cave hole here at Etowah, and it's probably the most famous and infamous photographed hole in all of the state of Georgia. Hundreds of thousands, no, probably not that many, but at least tens of thousands of people have played this hole, and they pretty much all agree it's awesome. So hopefully we can get 2 nice birdies and a couple ace runs.
It's been featured on Jomez as well.
Oh yeah.
A couple aces.
I think it was also in the Etowah catalog in 2021, maybe 2020. Yeah, this hole has a lot of history. What was I gonna say? Whatever, let's throw. Come back for me.
So straight. And right on the path.
Cool.
Well, we
That's
got
a
a putt.
It is a putt.
I was afraid of going long OB in the cave.
Do you-
Oh! All right. There we go.
Great putt, Nate. Rats.
Yep.
2's on the board.
Yeah.
This hole makes my heart hurt. I'll let you break it down, Nathan.
Yeah, this hole is.
I hate this
Look at
hole.
that tree right there. That
Which
tree
one?
explains everything right there.
This torn up tree. All right, hole 5, 282 feet to dog leg to the left. You can barely see it off the tee if you get the right angle, but it requires a shot that gets down and skips left. There's not really much room in the air to really get a spike hyzer shot in there. You really got to put it low and let it skip early. It's a tough hole. It's one to get if you really need it, but
It's a lefty
It's tough.
nightmare hole, I'll tell you that. Whoa there, little rascal.
beat that tree. Yeah.
I'm cool with that all day.
Yeah, no kidding.
Through the gap.
I just had to beat that one tree.
I know. It's probably right at the basket if you miss it too.
Might have been a little early, but
Yeah, get those Gore-Tex nice and dirty.
oh gosh. I might have to take relief back.
Yeah, you can.
That's gross. It's deep. Oh, that's not good. Miss release.
Malice in the palace. Whoa. Oh.
Good bid. Just off. I tried to make it happen.
That is the worst sound in this sport. Oh, I am
That's
right
rough.
behind a tree.
That is very
Awesome.
rough. Not ideal. There you go. Well, taking a 5 on hole 5.
Softly fitting.
It is awfully fitting, and it's the righty hole, and the lefty takes the par.
Hole 6, it's 285. This is a great lefty hole. It's probably one of my favorite holes in the course. Just goes straight down this little runway and then veers off to the right at the very end. Kind of a nice lefty backhand shot, or pretty good for a righty forehand. Yeah, probably throw stable fairway driver or slower mid-range, probably more fairway. Let's see. Let's go FD3. Nope, you know what? I'm gonna do it for the team. I'm gonna do it for the team.
The team.
That's not it. New mold to the Infinite Disc lineup. This is called a Roman. It's a 10-speed. It flies a lot like a PD or a Thunderbird. It's a nice straight to overstability. Really, really great mold. Loving it.
So
Oh,
far.
great kick. Should be down there.
I think the goal is to get past that one tree right in the middle, that skinny one, and then start dumping right.
Yeah, go left of that.
Because you don't
and
want to go early
hard.
that.
Oh, that's a pretty line.
Yeah,
What a
great
skip. Nice shot, Nathan.
Thank you. That's that lightweight cloud breaker.
Really? I thought that was Doombird. No. Jeez, that thing is stable, dude.
Yeah, it's very overstable.
Oh. Darn. Nice too.
Thank you, thank you. Needed that one.
Alrighty. Yeah, you can have the box back.
Thank you.
Hey, guess what? Lefty hole, righty birdie.
Righty hole, lefty par, righty double bogey. You know, it's the spice of life.
That's how it works sometimes.
This is just
I
how it
guess.
goes. I was in position, but like I said, that pesky putting. You're telling me, man, for sure. All right, the hardest hole on the freaking course.
Yep. Hole 7, 282. It's, I mean, you can look at it yourself. There's not much going on here. There's like a tight gap on the right side you can punch through with a overstable disc to let it skip back in. There's a left side gap. There's a left side gap that you can throw like a flex shot, something that'll turn and then finish back left. It's a tricky hole.
Yeah, as you can see, there's about 1,100 trees on the hole, so it's really easy. You know, it's really just a cakewalk.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna both just park the crap out of it because that's just how we roll.
I'm gonna try that gap.
Oh,
Oh, and it's parked because
that
of
is
a tree.
parked. That is parked. What a shot.
Did it fade out?
It started to, and then it hit a tree and kicked back left. Yeah.
Decisions.
Yeah.
Oh, this hole gives me nightmares.
Oh, if you missed that one, that
Dope.
was gonna be up there.
Love
Might
it.
have gotten a good tree hit if you got past it and kicked it back towards the basket.
I mean, ideally,
I mean, it's
my
a tough-
goal is just not hit anything and
Yeah.
end up over there.
It's a tough lefty hole because you can't, I mean, you could lay down a roller here, but good luck with that.
Yeah.
Or you can throw something that's understable, flips up, and then ride straight, but
It's definitely a prayer hole.
yeah, it's tough.
All right, you know, great footwork, great footing.
The shoes are waterproof.
You gotta love it. Shout out to Nike. Totally sponsored. Oh, you're a meanie. All right, baby. Put your putter pants on.
There
we go. Put them
Good.
on today.
Good hit.
Attaboy. Nice too.
Thank you.
That is a bonus birdie.
Yeah, definitely. All right, hole 8, 165. I don't know what this elevation change is, 50, 60 feet, maybe more. It's a pretty straightforward shot. You got a couple lanes. This right side's the most open. For a lefty, you could throw a turnover shot or this left side gap, but it's a little obstructed up high. I'd say the main route for most players is gonna be this right side. Just something that gets up on the hill and slides a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't catch edge and roll, but there's this giant tree here to catch those, but you never know what happens. It's a nice little shot up there. Just easy. Except when I hit a tree.
Sure.
Oh, the same tree, but you didn't go back as far as I did. Drop. Yep. Well, probably the easiest course or the hole in the course, and took a par. Okay, hole 9, 245. We're pretty much level with the basket, but it's downhill, back uphill, so you want to avoid any trees to, you know, give yourself a good look at it. If you're hitting something, you're way down there, you're scrambling to save your par. No birdies if you're not in circle 1. It's a tough hole. If you miss. And the smallest tee pad in the world. And I hit a tree, and like I said,
Oh, brother.
we're way down the mountain, scrambling for par.
Oh, brother. I used to go thumber on this hole. You know what? Let's take a trick out of the old book. Play it.
Old. Okay.
Ooh, pick a side.
At least it's up top.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was perfect.
Weird hyzer putt.
Oh.
Oh, well, I'll take that. Attaboy. Nice putt.
Thanks.
Good save.
Ay, ay, ay. Hole 10, 250. Tricky hole. You got 2 lines, left and right. Hyzer line or straight up turnover. It looks closer than it is. You want to throw something a little bit faster than you think since it's uphill. But altogether, it's a fun hole. and not too much problems here. If you, I mean, if you hit it early and you're down there, it sucks. But either way, let's get it. Oh, I missed the line.
You're still up there though.
Yep.
Oh, it's so tight.
I thought that had
that
a
was
chance
spicy.
of going in.
That one was a seed. I thought that one was great. Yeah, this is weird.
Got a line?
It's like a weird hyzer putt, or I could like Annie it.
Oh, stop. Quit rolling. Okay. That's not gonna be fun.
I love disc golf.
Makes good drama.
Yes.
Sure. That's the word. Woo!
Barely held on.
Yeah, for real. I'll take it though.
Good save.
Thank you.
Great par save. That's awesome.
Closing that gap. He's closing her out.